Does that thing fly?
No. Put the puppies down. And then let's back away.
Back away, back away.
Oh, she hurt her leg. Wait, which one hurt her leg?
The animal instinct.
Is she hurt?
Yeah, I think she hurt her pie.
One's going to poo again.
Ooh, what was that?
So now I'm not going to
Oh. Hey, we're just here. Where'd it go?
Do you have the pink one?
Huh?
Wait, what?
Run, Foil, run!
I'll get it. Wait, this one's hot? Mom.
Yes.
This one's hot?
Be careful, dude. Be careful where you're stepping. Come over here. Don't run away from it. You think you should probably like break one of the wings so it can fly away? Okay, there it goes.
Yeah. Oh, so close.
Oh, dang it.
Up. Leave.
Leave.
We're just gonna die.
Yeah, it's bleeding now.
Bleeding already.
Somebody got it.
Green one got him. Got his taste it. It's still in his mouth. Still got feathers in his mouth.
No.
Green one likes it.
So, Cammy, what do you think? Pretty cute, huh?
Yeah.
You just want to get all of them?
Where's the bird?
Over here.
You're like two.
So, Cam,
Oh crap. Got my leg.
Are you
Good change too. Yeah, I know.
Did it get slob on your foot?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Green dog's now like throwing birds.
I found some more poo.
She did.
Right there.
No, it's a stick.
Please, you have to support his bottom half, okay? What a beautiful morning. When do their eyes change color? This is my thick snuggle.
Oh my gosh, that's too
they're going to kill that one.
That's alright.
Yeah, he's done.
She's dead.
Well, I squawk a lot.
Oh.
Don't bite ears.
Like, hey, that was me.
No, that was a bird. You got kids black in there, man.
Oh, this one really likes me.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Green.
Green. Green's going with it.
Green kills.
Going up.
It's my toy.
Yeah.
It's
found it.
it's my squeaky toy.
Don't let him eat it though.
Where is it? Is the bird dead?
Yeah.
He's finished.
Yeah, you don't want him to eat them.
Just retrieve
Yeah, sure, just grab them, Jack. No, be gentle.
Oh, it's still
He
alive.
doesn't want you to do that. Gentle, gentle.
Wait, what's this one's name again? Tear off the head. Now they're all going after it. That one looks like a predator.
This is the one right here that's birdie. Green's birdie.
Dark green.
Yeah.
Or he likes the taste of feathers.
Good boy. Okay, okay. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, easy. Ah, he says, I don't want to let go. You'd rather have my shoelace?
Wait, it's dead?
No, it's alive. It's just not doing too well.
Probably not going to flying off too quick anymore.
One of them got its wings. It's not going anywhere. Touchdown. Who's licking it?
That's light blue.
Oh, they're going to be all ready for a nap this morning.
Oh, now I see the blood.
Yeah.
Found some more too.
Okay.
Way to search.
Dang, there's a lot.